physics phenomenon. The distinction between amplitude and frequency is when a force is applied, and this force that's applied that creates an impact. This impact that creates this energy that vibrates and propagates at a minimum of 700 miles an hour. It does not arise from an already established tension. This is the disparity. This is what separates amplitude from frequency. When it comes to sound, if we take a physics analysis of sound. Now, frequency now is based on pitch, cycle per second, so named after hertz. What causes frequency is when there's a force that's applied to an already established tension. Now, in some syntactical contexts, amplitude is also applied to when a force is applied to an already established tension. But the higher frequency in that context is if that particular force is applied to